Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Nisha Maniology MXM045 and 46. Maniology Sticky Black and then the Sunshine Powder. I guess powder, yeah. And then Maniology's Gold Rush, their gold stamp and polish. I am starting this manicure off with Nailtiques Formula 2. It is my preferred nail treatment. And yep, I have filed my nails back. New year, short nails. Let's get going with it. This is Zoya Nisha. It's a blue-purple duochrome. It just depends on how I'm looking at it, of what color it looks like. Polishes like this make it very interesting if you store your polishes in color order, because you don't know whether to put it with the blues or with the purples. I don't have that problem. I put mine in collections of brand. So that's how I do mine. I am going to cap my free edge here. And even though I've got this skinny little old brush here on this polish, it still went on pretty well. I did manage to make a mess, but that's what I got Woody for. Hi Woody, how you doing? Woody and my cleanup brush, because it's a dark polish making a bad mess up here. Yep, there we go. I'll pull that skin back so I can get under there. Was not going to be happy until I got that cleaned. I just knew it. Ugh. There we go. Better. And we're going to go in with the second coat. I've thought about replacing all of my brushes with their water brush, but ooh-wee, what a job that would be. So there we go. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Had to get some more of that top coat there, or yeah, I had to get some more top coat. Capping my free edge there. I did save a little bit of free edge. And there is Nisha on its own. I am going to use the Burt's Bees Cuticle Balm to go around my fingertips here. Because when I stamp and play with chromes, y'all, I can make a mess. Maniology MXM045 and 046 are going to be the two stamping plates I play with today. And got that Maniology Sticky Black. I'm just going to fess up. I did it like the card and I hated it. So we've got this Sunshine Powder, little chrome powder, and I've got out a couple of stampers from AliExpress and my beauty scraper. But first, let's take care of these plates. I'm going to get those blue films off, wipe them down with some acetone, and then a paper towel. So I'm going to do this like they said to do it, and I'm putting it on the stamper. Maybe I wasn't paying attention good. Maybe I'm being totally wrong and just wrong. But I'm going to try to do it their way, and I think I should have done it Guyleen's way, and right after I did that, I should have picked that image up with the stamper with the chrome on it. But no, I'm going to put it on my nail. So basically what this video is one of those don't do it like this kind of videos. But y'all know I share all of it. You know, I was real hopeful that this would work really well, and you know, that I would be good to go, getting all that excess up with the tape, and then I was going to stamp the gold on. Well, it kind of looks like it shows up a little bit, but then when I go to dust things off, it just kind of goes away, and it's just not a good thing. So, but I'm going to continue on. I'm going to put some more on the stamper, and we're going to keep doing some more nails. Because I kept thinking, well, maybe it'll get better with another nail. Actually, the thumbnail was actually the best nail that turned out, to be honest. Which is crazy. So there we go. We're going to scrape that image, pick it up. stamp it down. And I thought, well, maybe if I work faster, it'll work better that way. Get the tape up real quick, get some of that excess. And I don't know. So I am going to play with this again, but I'm going to do it. I don't know what they call that, chrome stamping. I don't know. We're going to try it the way Golene did it. See? It's just not showing up good. I don't know. And I'm thinking it's going to be okay, because I'm thinking, oh, well, once I top coat it, it'll look alright. No, not so much. You'll see. And then you'll see what I do when I have manicures turn out like this. So there we go. I got to get my tape out here. I got some excess up here I don't want. So I got that little crab image, because I'm a crabby girl. Actually, I'm a Cancer, so that's why I did the crab. So we're going to stamp on that one too. And then we're going to just continue on. Using both of those plates, both of the stamping plates. I got the other little crab I'm going to use on my other nail. I just think they're so cute. And I was excited about these stamping plates. I just got to figure out what I'm doing or going to use this sticky black for, and what I'm going to use. I mean, sticky black should be sticky black, right? It should stick to the nails and be sticky. So, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, or if I've got a product that's not right, or, what the deal is. Or if I just hadn't found the right process for me yet. I am going to clean that chrome powder off on my lint roller. And I do clean all my stampers off with lint rollers. And then I'm going to clean my plate with pure acetone. No conditioners, no additives, nothing. Just straight up acetone. I'm going to wipe it with a paper towel. Takes the blurriness away from it. And then I'm going to get that mat cleaned up too. Ta-da! So I'm taking my little brush and I'm thinking, oh, I'm burnishing in, wiping off. And some nails now look like they have nothing on them except for the gold around my fingertips. So there you have it. There you have it. That's it. So I'm thinking I'm done. I'm thinking, okay, I'm done. So I'm going to put some smudge-free top coat on it. See how... And then there's like a big blob of gold over on the side of that one. What's up with that? So, there we go. We've just kind of got splotches. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the fast and hard on it. Because, y'all, at this point, I was just like, over it. Struggle bus. But I was like, well, the polish is really pretty. And I got a good application. It's laying flat. I didn't, like, bump it. I don't have any boo-boos. It's so pretty. But, I mean, look, it's... not at all what I was expecting. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So that's one of those videos a little extra long today, because I couldn't live with that. So we're breaking out that Maniology plate again, and I'm going to use that big, long image and Maniology's Gold Rush. And I'm just going to stamp this image across all of the nails, just so I can have something that I can stand. Oh, that's not going to work. Hang on, let me get some tape. Clean that mess up. But I'm running this across the nails, pretty much in the middle. And this is when the magic happened. When I saw that thumbnail, I was like, oh yeah, I like this. And, I really, really ended up loving it. I mean, I'm sad that the, stamping and foiling wasn't, or the chroming wasn't working, but when I saw it like this, I was in love with it. I was like, oh, that's what I'm talking about. I'm using the extra stamp over on my pinky, cleaning off my stamper on my lint roller, and then we're going to pull some more of this image. And I'm telling you, I really did like this manicure. Every time I do 2 different manicures on both hands, I always love one of them. I mean, it's a phenomenon. I love it, and then I love it, and then I'm not as crazy about the other one. I already talked about the unicorn one and how I'm going to redo. So I do clean my plate off again with acetone before I put it away. And I'm going in with my tape as per usual, getting up any extra stamping and clean it up with my acetone. But this one was my favorite, so we're going to top it with some smudge-free top coat. Seal that stamping in. And then I'm going to put another coat of Fast and Hard over the top of everything. But I really ended up loving this, so sometimes it works out that way. They say everything happens for a reason. So here it is in its finalness. Here's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.